Now, here's a classic that you guys might remember playing with back in the early 2000s or the 2010s. This is the GeoTrax Tracktown Railway set, which was kind of a good piece of merchandise. Ever since I came back from holiday, I thought of getting my first GeoTrax merchandise. So I thought, yeah, why not get some with my leftover euros? And I did. So, let's begin with our review of it. And maybe the Kickin' and Hobby will have a lifetime of their time. So, let's begin what kind of rolling stock or locomotives we got in here. Starting off with this black steamer, which I called him Smokey. Yes, I gave him the name Smokey because of crazy trains in the house reasons. You see, I noticed the livery kind of looks familiar to something we all know. The livery could have been inspired by Union Pacific steam locomotives, with the grey smoke box and the black livery, etc. But for some reason, the button on the roof doesn't even work. And also, when I first got it, the remote is just not in the box. Ah, well. So, let's get on with this brown truck. This brown truck is an open truck. And also, you can put crates inside of it. You know, just like a normal piece of rolling stock. So I think this is meant to be a caboose combined with a flatbed. It has the same play feature as that brown truck. Carry the same crates and other such. So, I think that's all the rolling stock and trains. Alright, Smokey, I think that's everything, but can you give everyone a nice long run on the layout, please? Okay, that's a good one. Now let's begin with our run. Nice one, Smokey. See you in the next video, guys.
No.